Dr. Sandra Kaplan, professor at the University of Southern California and recipient of the Jacob Javits Grant for Gifted Education, made a series of visual iconic prompts to help teachers and students explore ideas with depth and complexity. This brief module gives a general overview, and the prompts are explained more thoroughly and with examples in other modules. 8 iconic prompts encourage depth in the curriculum. Language of the discipline encourages students to know terms specific to the work of a discipline and what tools she or he uses. Details explore the attributes and features that define and distinguish an object, event, or an idea. Details are used to identify, compare and contrast, and cite evidence for arguments. Patterns are recurring events, noting the order of events and predictions about what might come next. Trends are the ongoing factors that have influenced the study or how the study has contributed to a larger idea. Unanswered questions explore what is yet unknown or not understood about a topic, study, or discipline. Students are called to recognize fallacies, ambiguities, test assumptions, and identify incomplete, lacking, or biased information. Rules, or structures, uncover the unstated causes related to a discipline, a structure of the study, or an explanation of the relationships of various elements in the study. Ethics explore the dilemmas and controversies in a scenario and the elements that reflect bias, prejudice, and discrimination. Criteria is given for the judgments that are made. Universal concepts and generalizations, called big ideas in Kaplan's model, require students to analyze objects, events, ideas, or studies as a function of a universal concept and to generalize based on the evidence uncovered. Complexity refers to studies that cross time or disciplines and go beyond one dimension of study. Students are asked to explore how ideas relate between past, present, and future, and how time has affected information, and how ideas relate within or across a particular time period or span of time. As a student considers multiple perspectives, they might identify opposing viewpoints, or they might consider how different people influence, respond to, or argue an object, event, or situation. Interdisciplinary connections recognize common elements among topics from different disciplines, noting how an idea relates to another discipline and how disciplines contribute to the meaning of this idea. In this module, we have introduced 8 dimensions of depth and 3 dimensions of complexity. Other modules will show you how the prompt might be used in a particular context. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to email me.